Greetings, welcome to this video. We're solving a tutorial sheet, MAT1110 tutorial sheet 1 2023. This is question 8. Question 8. So the question says, let R be the universal set. Rewrite each of the following in set builder notation. So there's a video that we talked of set builder notation. If you haven't watched the video, I'll drop the link in the description. So in this video, focus more on how we can come up with a set builder notation. So we did a video on how to list elements of a set builder notation, and here we're doing, we can say, almost the opposite of that. Right, so you can pick it up regardless whether you watched that video or not. You can pick it up from here. There isn't any problem. Okay, so we want to come up with a set builder notation. We've been given some sets. We've got like 4 questions, and this is how they've been defined. So it's a short video because there isn't a lot to talk about in this video. These are direct things, and let's go ahead and solve. So the first one we've been given -7 and 3. So the only thing that I think I must also talk about is the brackets that we have. So these brackets, if you notice, they are different from these. You get, right? So a question should come to say, why are they different and what do they mean? It's a very good question if you've asked yourself that kind of a question. So there's a video that I did as well which talked about these brackets. I'll drop the link, but I also explained in the same video. So this bracket here, it means this 7 isn't part of it's not included in the set, but this, you see, it's closed or open like this. It means that number is part of the set. So x is this is more like a range. You see, we've been given -7, 3. It means the set will start from this to this digit here. But then this -7 won't be part of our set because of the bracket that we've been given. Even this side, the 3 won't be part of our set because of the bracket that we've been given here. But this is the range of the set. So just to stress more, you see, remember that when we talked of this, if I'll say x is greater than 3, if I say x is greater than 3, it simply means now x will start from pardon me, the video is a bit blurred. Okay, so if I say x is less than 3, this is a less than sign. If I say x is less than 3, it means the numbers, or x can be any number less than 3. That's starting from 2, 1, 0, and 2 negative. 3 won't be part of x. So it's the same case here. So it means this won't be part of the set, even this. Same applies. If I were to indicate this, I put is less than or equal to, meaning my set will start from 3 itself because it's included, it's part of the set. So that's the same principle that we're using when coming up with a solution for this question. Alright, so without wasting much of the time, they're saying rewrite each of the following in a set builder notation. So remember the format of a set builder notation. So say A is equals to, we have the opening brace here. We define the set builder notation in braces. So we'll say the number that we're representing will be represented by x. You can indicate that. But one thing that I must also take into consideration is the R that we've been given. They are saying let R be the universal set. So whatever we're going to come up with should be part of the universal set, should be driven from the universal set. So the constraint here that we have is that we've got this which defines the universal set. And most of the times when you see this sign here, the R, it simply means real numbers. Now, what are real numbers? Well, real numbers are simply any number that you can think of. Be it -2, 22/7, a rational number, a fraction, whatever number you can think of is a real number. The only numbers that are not real numbers are complex or imaginary numbers. No wonder we call them imaginary. but a real number is a number that exists and you can think of it. All right, so we'll say x is such that x, yeah, x is such that x is between, we've been given this now, between -7. So since -7 isn't part of the set, so x will be greater than -7 but less than 3. So I won't put an equal sign here because these numbers are not part of the set. And also say x is a real number, then we close, right? So this is how you come up with your set builder notation. It means from here, if you tell somebody, you just give him this set builder notation, he can define the set like this. Let's go to the next question. So B, if you look at B, you see the first one isn't defined, but the other one is, because of the bracket that we have. So again, we'll open with a brace and we'll say x is such that x is, so they are all positive, right? Now, if you look closely, you see that 1 is less than 4. So the 1 will be this side, right? So x is, because we can't have a number being less than a number which is bigger than the other one. So say x is, so 1 will be this side 1. 1 is part of the set. So we'll say x is greater than or equal to 1, but less than 4. So 4 won't be part of the set because of the bracket that we have, but 1 will be part of the set. Now we included the equal sign here. Then we also indicate say x is a real number. Then we close. We come to the third one. The third one, again, we open with a brace here. The opening brace would define our set to say x is such that, you see that all the 2 digits are included in the set, right? Because of the bracket that we have, the brackets that we have here. So since they're included, we're going to have equal to. So say x is such that, so we have got 0 less than or equal to x, yeah, and 3 here, comma, x is a real number. Yeah, we've defined what our x is. They are all included, meaning x is among all these values represent the value of x, all the numbers between this range, including these two which are outside. Then we have the last one. We'll say D. Okay, D. So you see the first one is included, the other one is not. So we'll include the first one. We'll say open brace x, which is such that it's less than, it's greater than, sorry, or equal to -3, then it's less than 6. Then we close, sorry, comma, we'll say x is a real number, then we can close. I usually have problem with the braces. So these will be your solutions for these questions. This is the tutorial sheet for 2023 Math 1110, and if you have questions, you can drop them in the comment section, then I'll be able to make a video of that. And the greetings from this video will go straight to a student from the University of Zambia. Yeah, this was a viewer requested video. Please remember to subscribe, share the video so that your friends can be helped as well, and if possible, you hit the notification button. Thank you very much. Have a good day.